Hello everybody. Got a video here on this here bug zapper. It's from CoPedvic. I think that's how you pronounce it. Not for sure. I'm probably messing up the name there, but I ended up getting this, bought it, and I needed another little bug light from my shop here. I'm getting tired of my bigger one I got and having to take it down and clean it, so I figured this one I might be able to take and hang up like under my shelf over here or something and use it. And it's pretty easy to clean and stuff. Me, I just take air hose, blow them out, but that's just me. They do give you a little brush here that comes with it that you can use to clean it. This has a 4-foot 6-inch cord on it, and it's about 10.5 inches tall, I think it was, and almost 5 inches wide. So it's not real big. And I think from my shop here it would do a really good job. On the bottom here has a little tray you can take off. And probably should turn it off before you take that off, but I don't see what it would hurt because there's no openings there. And the bulb ain't gonna fall out because it's screwed in there. So if you did ever have to change the bulb, also there's 2 little Phillips screws in there. You take those loose and that'll just unplug out of there. This just goes back into place and you twist it back on. Pretty simple. On this hair brush, you could just get in there like this and kind of brush it off. Which wouldn't be too bad, but if you had an air compressor and an air hose, it'd be a lot faster. The bulb itself, I'm not sure. It's a 9-watt bulb, and it comes with a 3-year warranty on this, so that's not bad at all. And I will put a link down below where you can get these at, and it'll be an affiliate link, so it helps keep my channel going if you did order one. But overall, I've used it for a little bit, and it seems to do a really good job. I don't have no bugs flying around right now, and it mainly gets them at night. But during the day, occasionally it'll get a few. But when I come back out here in the mornings into my shop, it's pretty much bug-free as far as flies and mosquitoes and that. So don't forget to comment, like my videos, subscribe, hit the notification button, and don't forget to check out my merchandise down below. And have a great day, everybody. Bye.